Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So this video is specially for the candidates who wants to finish the degree or else who wants to do the degree through online mode or else the distance mode. Okay, that is nothing but a ODL program. Okay, open or else online distance learning mode. Okay, so regarding that one, the University Grants Commission released one official notice. Okay, let us see the details regarding that one. Before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so here you can see that it is official public notice released by the University Grants Commission from Distance Education Bureau on 10th March 2021. So here you may check down that the program recognition status. That means, so recently the University the UGC University Grants Commission opened this ODL program, and it is mostly prominent, and so many students are taking the admissions as per this ODL program. But here one thing all the candidates has to remind that in which university or else in which institute you are taking the ODL programs, whether those institutes or the universities are recognized by the UGC or not. So first you have to check that one and then proceed to take the admission in that particular university or the institute. So in this PDF, I will provide this PDF link at the end of my description box of this video. So here you may check down that what are the universities are offering the ODL programs, okay, and which programs are recognized by the UGC. So all these things you can check down here in this one. So from Andhra Pradesh state, so Acharya Nagarjuna University, so they mentioned that the recognition of the university also, it is a state university, and the period of recognition, okay, the period of recognition is 2021 to 2024 to 25 academic year, okay, up to Jan 2025 only. And so under this university, what are the different programs are recognized for the ODL? Okay, that one also mentioned here. So total 11 programs are UGC recognized under this university. Fine. So like that, please check down here from all the different states. Here as per the states, state-wise, the universities and their corresponding recognition period and the corresponding programs are recognized. All these things are given in this list. So you please check down guys. So whatever the universities or the institutions mentioned in this list and the programs are mentioned, so for those programs only take the admission for the ODL programs. Okay, so let's have a look on this one here. Based on the Interface Expert Committee meetings held in the first week of Feb 2021, the list of higher education institutions with the recognized programs under open and distance mode for the academic session beginning January 2021 to 24 to 25. Okay. And the information for the higher education institutions and the stakeholders. The program recognition details have already been sent to the respective HEIs, and the recognized HEIs may start admission process in the programs recognized as per the list from academic session beginning from January 2021, and the last date for completion of admission process to offer the programs in ODL mode for February to March 2021 academic session for the year 20 to 21 is 30th April 2021. Okay, so it is the last date for completion of the admission process, 30th April 2021. So the interested candidates, please check down whatever the program you want and in which university you want. Okay, check down the recognition and then apply. Take the admission before 30th April 2021. Okay, and higher education institutions shall not offer any open and distance learning program or online program and admit learners thereto unless it has been granted recognition by the commission, and admission shall not be made in anticipation of the recognition. Okay, so the candidates has to take only in the UGC recognized universities and the UGC recognized programs only. Okay guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are planning to do the programs or the degrees as per the open and distance mode. Okay, and for more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC-NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide